beneficial. Blood line will not be water when we keep the sensor in the.
My name is Sheikh Tayyaba and I am here from Moulana Azad Model English Medium School. I am studying in 8th standard and my model is hemodialysis. So basically hemodialysis is used when our kidneys are not working properly. So in hemodialysis, in our hand we insert two needles. From one the blood comes into the pumper. From pumper it pumps the blood into the dialyzer box. In dialyzer box the dialysis liquid helps to purify the blood and it separates its urea and nitrogenous phase. From this box one more apparatus is joined to remove the other waste material and then the blood goes to the body through the veins. This is the process of hemodialysis. There is a chart of hemodialysis. From here, two needles are inserted. From one, the unpurified blood comes out and it goes in the dialyzer box. Here, the semi-permeable membrane separates used dialysis fluid and it adds fresh dialysis fluid, and it goes along with the blood through the veins.